Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert a URL into a hyperlink automatically. Open your document where you can see the web address of the sites to be converted. Here, in a new cell, enter the equal sign, the hyperlink function, select the web address, add a semicolon, and finally click on the cell with the name of the link. Press enter to see the conversion. You can drag this formula to the other cells. Finally, click on that link to verify that it opens the website. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.